Okay, today I'm going to be working with you on changing a Sway presentation into a PDF and uploading it so that you can submit it to your homework on Canvas. First thing you'll need to do to create your Sway is go into Office 365 on Clever. Once you're signed in, you'll find along the top here choices. You're going to hit Sway. You're going to create a new blank Sway. You can title You can choose whatever title you want. I'm just being quick here to show you. I could add pictures into my Sway. I'm just going to grab one here. I'm going to add it. I can add different slides. I also don't have to use all of the pictures that they give me in backgrounds. You could add video. You could also take things off your personal computer, upload images. You can also put sounds on here as well. I'm going to go ahead and add another picture. You could drag them or you can add them. So let's see what it looks like when we drag an image and drop it in. You're going to type some goodies about yourself, all about yourself, anything that you like, dislike, hobbies. I want to know everything about you. Once you're done creating your Sway, you're going to come up here to play, and it'll play back your slideshow for you. When you're ready to save it, you've done everything you need to do, you'll come over here to these three dots, hit on them. You're going to click Export. You're going to choose PDF because that's what we're changing it into. It saved it down here in the left-hand corner. So I'm going to open it. Okay, it looks like this now as a PDF. So you're not finished yet. You're going to come up here to the right-hand corner to this little symbol, and you're going to download it. And it's going to save it to your computer. So you have a choice here. You could just save it. You could save it to a folder. That's going to be up to you. I'm just going to hit Save. And I know now that it has saved. Alright, once I'm done, you're going to go to Clever, go into your Canvas. Once you're in Canvas, you're going to go to your dashboard, and you're going to find Math. I've put the assignment under Math, so I'm just going to use Falcon's Math right now. You're going to come into Math. I'm going to go ahead and do this as a student view so you can see what you would see and not necessarily what I would see. So you're going to come to your Math page. Looks like this. The assignment is set for Tuesday, so we're going to hit Tuesday. And it brings you to your Sway All About Me assignment with all your directions here. Okay, so after you have it downloaded, you're going to submit your assignment. So I hit Submit. Then I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and you see here where it says Choose File. Well, I'm going to hit Choose File. And I'm going to find where I put it. All About Me, there it is. So I click on it, I open it. And there it is, All About Me. So I'm ready to submit. When I hit Submit, it's going to look like this. You'll know you submitted by looking on the right-hand corner over here. It says Submitted. When you submitted it, you can go back and check it by clicking on one of these to see what it looks like. And that is how you upload your PDF into your homework assignment. I hope this was very helpful for you.